Good afternoon, everyone. Hello, hello.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Let's wait a minute till everyone joins. Guys, blocks, chair nearby. Plain walls, no obstacles around, all prepared. Super. JD is ready. Everyone is ready, guys. Cameras on.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Sarika, Shusmita, Sima, Parna, Pranya, Sarita. Sarita? How many Sarita? Sarika and Sarita. 2. Chintamani, cameras on. Aparna, Lila, cameras on. Let's start with the prayer, guys. Sit in a comfortable cross-leg position. Press sitting bones down. Lengthen the spine. Close your eyes. Inhale, reach the arms up, join the hands in prayer. Exhale, bring the prayer towards the heart center. Connect the thumbs to the beating of your heart. And take this moment to bring the attention inwards towards your breath. Observe your physical body. Observe your thoughts. Observe your emotional state. And observe your energetic field. Take this moment and set an intention for your practice. Let's start with one Om. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Wrap the palms, bring the energy towards the palms of the hands. Exhale, release. And let's start. Take a sitting position. Bring the knees together. Sit on top of the heels. Fingertips to the floor. Head circle. 1, 2, 4. Reverse. 4, 3. Shoulders down. 2, 1. Come to center. Shoulders to the ears. Inhale. Sharp exhale down. Inhale 2. Exhale. 3. Exhale. One more up. Exhale. Good. Extend the arms to the side. Thumb inside. Close the fingers on top. Make a fist. Elbows straight in line with the shoulder and wrist rotation. Big circle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring the fingers together like this. Press as if you want to. Stop 2 walls coming towards you and you will go up and down. Don't separate your fingers. Keep the line. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Shoulder rotation. Big circle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Big circle. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 10, 9. Opposite direction. 8, 7. Spine straight. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last exercise. Bring the arms forward. Open your hands. And now you're gonna make a fist super tight. Exhale, open. But you're gonna go fast. Fast. As fast as you can. 10, 9, 8, 7. Extend the fingers nicely. 6, 1, continue, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, pass, 9, 10, release, take tabletop position, hands under the shoulders in a straight line, lock your elbows, press with all the corners of your hand, engage the fingertips, oopsie, knees under your hips, pelvis in, core engage, and now you're going to shift weight forward, press the palms, all the corners, engage fingers, exhale back. It's a slow movement to shift weight to the hands and slowly back without touching lower back. Let's go. 1, press and back. 2, press. 3, press. 4, 5, 6, pressing the mat away. 7, 8, 9, 10. Press away. Good. Now you're going to lean forward and hold. Press the mat away, 7 with the scapula. 10, 9, fingertips engage. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to center. Now, you're going to lean weight to the palms. Lift the heel of the palm to the first knuckle. Yes, the elbow doesn't bend. Lock it. And down. You need to feel weight in the palms. It needs to be challenging. Yes, you can do one at a time. Down, other one. Down, or you can do both. And down. But the weight cannot be back. It has to be on top and beyond if you can. Yeah, the more forward, the more difficult. So don't make it impossible, but you have to feel the work in the forearms, guys. You have to feel the corners of the hands pressing and your fingertips engaged. Let's go for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Flip the palms. Fingertips backward, inhale. Press hands to spine. Exhale, lean back without lifting the palm of your hand and hold. Chilling. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come to center. Flip the palms forward. And now you're going to extend the arms to the top of the mat. Shoulder distance apart. Shoulders to touch the ears. Pelvis in, core engage. You're going to drop the forehead and hold. Maybe the nose. And that's it. Don't open more, otherwise the pelvis is going to open. We want it close and engage. Yeah? Touch and hold. 30 seconds. Puppy pose with the pelvis in. Let's go. Stay. Sachini, pelvis in like in cat position. Yes. Now keep pressing hands, Sachini, forehead down as low as you can. Sushmita, please, camera on. If there's any tech issue, let me know. Otherwise, camera on. I cannot correct you otherwise. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale to come up. Now you will take your blocks. Top of the mat. Hand on the top. Shoulders to ears. Again. Forehead down. And hold. Or nose down. And hold. Another 30 seconds. The hands are pressing actively, guys. I can reach the floor and I can still feel the exercise here. Yeah, so If you press, you're feeling it in the shoulders. Okay, Sushmita, do your best. Let's go.
Thank you.
Welcome. 30-second hold. Press, press, press. Pelvis in. Try to touch forehead or nose.
Ma'am, this forward stretching, we should engage our core or it's
Core and pelvis in. Again, like the same. Pelvis in and core engage.
okay. Thank you.
Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Inhale to come up. Watch me. Now we will take a standing position, yes? Feet hip distance, bending the knees. Standing position, bending the knees. Hand opposite elbows behind. Now, to go here, I open the pelvis, press the feet belly towards my thighs. I don't find any space here, so not this. This. Cow position, you will feel the stretch even if the knees are bent. The feet have to press, the toes have to grip like you wanna grasp, take the grasp away. Yes, so opposite elbows, relax the head, even if the knees are bent. Otherwise, if you can exhale fully and lean towards the toes, we hold 30 seconds. Let's go. Feet hip distance, press feet down. And time is on. Anu, camera on. Lean towards the toes. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees, roll the spine all the way up. Good. Next one. What is this? Next one, you will take the blocks. Feet together. One step back. The back foot 45 degrees. Don't go too far. Yes, halfway of your normal high lunge. 45 degrees. Now you will place the blocks here. Press the feet, lock the knees, open the pelvis. Some of you here, you will already start to feel the stretch of the front leg. If you are fine, you can go second setting again, same principle. We open from the pelvis, belly towards the thigh, blocks down, or hands here, forehead to touch, or arms back. Press the feet without leaning towards one or the other leg, and we hold 30 minutes. Sorry, 30 minutes. 30 seconds each side. Guys, press the feet, let the pelvis open like cow position. Use the blocks, no bending on the knees. One step back, Rima. Guys, don't make the stance too short. Sarika, one step back. Lila, one step back. Minal, one step back, teeny tiny. Sneha, one step back. Prania, one step back. Sonia, one big step back. Let's start. 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Press the feet, press the toes. Anupama, try blocks on the high setting. Divya, blocks on the high setting. Lock both of your knees. Super. Anupama, try to open pelvis like in cow. As you press the feet down, it will be easier. Stillness, stillness, Terency. Keep pressing the feet. Lengthen spine, open pelvis. JD, blocks on the high setting, open pelvis. Yes, press feet. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, use the core to come up. And now we go to the other side. Take your blocks if you're using blocks. From this, you can just go center and other side. Make sure the stands are correct. Front toes forward, back foot 45 degrees, top toes slightly open to the left. Use the blocks if you need, otherwise hands. And keep the knees low, guys. If the knees one is bent and we are here, this is not a stretch. Maybe you're too low in the block. Yeah, maybe you're here. Try on the first setting. You will feel the stretch, guys. The goal here is not to go down, but to feel the stretch. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Sarika, you don't need the blocks. Hands down. Blocks, bye-bye. Yes. Super, guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Press the feet, inhale, lift. And release. Now, we will keep the blocks in front just in case. Open big stance, heel inside, toes outside. Now we're going to start bringing the weight towards the left foot. Bring the blocks down, option 1. Heel down, toes up. Yeah, those who are not reaching the floor. If you're reaching the floor, hands down. Yeah, so from up, you will start going down. Reach the hands, lower the pelvis. Those who can go with no hands, all the way down. If you can sit back, press the feet. Inhale, all the way up. Exhale, other side. Same thing if you are using the blocks. Yes, you go all the way down. Press. Go as low as you can. Inhale, lift. And then other side, exhale. Yes, press and help yourself with the blocks to come up. The foot that is, the leg that is bent is pressing, and that heel is not decoration, also helping you come up. Yeah, so we go 8 reps. 1, up all the way, guys. Exhale when we go down. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale to the left. Inhale up. Exhale right. Inhale up. Exhale left. 3. Inhale up. Exhale right. 4. Inhale up. Exhale left. 5. Inhale up. Exhale right. 6. Now we will go to the left and hold. Inhale up. Exhale left. Option 1, you place one block under the sitting bones. Option 2, you stay suspended in the air if you are very close to the floor. Option 3, you sit and you hold. Option to bring the fingertips forward, or if you can, forearms down without closing this knee. So the foot is pressing, knee opening, external rotation. This leg fully stretched, which is where you will feel most part of the stretch. 30 seconds, and then we will inhale up and go other side. Ready? Pick your variation to hold, guys. 3, 2, 1. Time is on. Super. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, coming up. All the way up, standing. Exhale, right side. Bigger variation, maybe you have to modify. Leg fully straight, toes up. And we hold 30 seconds. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super. Keep the sitting bones down. We will sit with the legs straight. We will sit with the legs straight. A little bit more open than your hips. Yeah, so my hip distance is this. I'm opening a little bit more. Not as much as your mat. Toes up, knees bend. Arms straight from the pelvis. Exhale. Option 1. If you want a bit more challenging, block up, shoulders to ears like in handstand, and down with the knees bend, sorry. Yes, with the knees bend, we go. Option 1. Option 2, knees down, and go. Option 3, blocks under the heels. If you have a third block or a water bottle, you can place it up and go. What we don't want is this. This is nothing. I'm flexing from my chest. I'm going to cause myself some lack of air here. I'm contracting only from the diaphragm. Yeah? So it's better to bend the knees. You see when I bend the knees, this opening of the pelvis becomes easier. We really need this to forward bend. Any forward bend, standing, sitting, whatever it is, it has to come from the pelvis opening. Otherwise, it's just a butt stretch on the back. This is nothing, right? We want this. Okay? So no touching toes. Everyone down with their variation. 10 reps. And the last rep, we will hold forward. Yes, as if someone is lengthening us from the hands and from the feet. Shoom. Slow, so long, yeah? No touching, guys. No touching. And trying to keep shoulder distance. Yeah? 3, 2, 1. Heels down, inhale. Exhale, 1. Up. Exhale, 2 from the pelvis. Up. Exhale, 3. Up. Exhale, 4. Exhale, 5. Exhale, 6. Exhale, 7. 3 more, and then we hold. 8. Exhale, 9. Exhale, down and hold. Don't touch feet or floor. Don't touch feet or floor. Sima, no. No hands on the feet. Yes, guys. Hold it. No one touching feet or floor. I see everything, guys. Hold, hold, hold. Menal, come on. Extend. Stay. 15 seconds left. Come on, ladies. All ladies, huh? 2 to 3, mainly ladies. Every day. Let's go, let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, use the core to come up. Release your hands. Those who have blocks under the heels, release the blocks. Watch me. We go for low lunge, knee extension for your hip flexors. Boom. Yes, so you take tabletop position. Leg forward in between the hands, whatever leg you want to use first. Lower the pelvis, tuck the back toes under. Interlace the fingers. Exhale, extend and hold. Looking forward and holding. Yes? 30 seconds each leg. Ready? Left foot forward, right foot forward, one leg. Whatever you want. And we go. Tuck back toes under. Exhale, lift the knee. Keep the pelvis low. Sima, pelvis low. Eyes forward. Everyone, eyes forward. Divya, try hands on top of your thigh. You're strong, Divya. Hands on top of the thigh. Come on. On top of your leg, Divya. Hands on top of your leg. Divya, hello. Good afternoon. Hands on top of the leg. You are so focused. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sakshini, also you're so focused. What happened? You're strong. Ah, guys, I see everything, huh? It's 1 hour, guys. If we don't go with full energy, what do we do? Other side, guys. Don't think I don't pay attention. I see everything. Divya, you press the hands. Watch me. Where is it? This button. You press the hands on top of the thigh. Yeah, it's gonna get intense on the leg that is straight and back. But after that, you will feel good. It's a good stretch. Only 30 seconds. Ladies, when we feel, oh my God, I want to quit the exercise, go back to your breath. 30 seconds can be very slow when you are uncomfortable. Otherwise, in day-to-day life, boom, 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 boom. Yeah? Let's go. 3, eyes forward. 2, 1. Exhale and go. Super. Yes, Divya, press, press, press. Not the knee, your thigh. Lila, yes, keep pressing, come on. 15 seconds only. Sajni, super. Minal, what happened? Knee up, knee up. Leave the knee, huh? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Core. A little bit of core and then we go to the wall. We lay down. Watch me first. We will extend the legs up. Hands next. Wait, this. Hands down next to your back. Yes. Pull straight 90 degrees. Yes. Not here and not here. Press the lower back. Engage the core. And now you're going to start lowering the legs as much as possible. Make sure to be able to lift up. On the lifting up, there is the most effort of your core. If you're not engaging the arching, you see, will start to happen. So if this happens, two things. Maybe you're not engaging the core, you forgot. Or maybe you're going too low. Yes, so test. Okay, can I go until here and come up? Next rep, I go lower. Yeah? We'll try to be precise. 90 degrees. Yes? Trying to move slow. You will feel the work. Option 2, you can also bring the hands a little bit under. Yes, to make it easier for your lower back. Yes, if this feels super easy, arms next to you or arms back. Yeah? 1 minute, guys. We all want a strong core for our handstand inversions, back bends. Yes? If it feels difficult, rest for 5 seconds, come back to the exercise. Don't quit for the whole exercise. Okay? Guys, wait, we go together. I appreciate the enthusiasm, but then you will quit halfway. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Full energy, guys. Without bouncing, Rima, no bouncing. Kengam, feet together. Legs together. Without bouncing, guys. Keep pressing lower back. Core engage. Super. Super, ladies. Come on. 35 seconds left. Keep going. 1 rep at a time. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. Last few seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, continue, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, release. Very good. Next one. We will interlace the fingers behind, lift the chest. Bring the knees in, knee to elbow, center, opposite, center, opposite, center. I'm pausing here in attack position with the crunch, and I'm pausing when I go with the leg extended. Center, I touch the knees. Squeeze the inner thigh support. Yeah? Hold. Hold. Yes, one at a time. I don't want to see this. This is nothing. Yeah? Guys, I've seen a lot of people rushing through core exercise. Results are not the same. You can do the core exercise super fast, 500 reps a day, and still your core is 0. Not the visible abs, yeah? Not the chocolate bar. What is the deep core? Yeah, deep core is what we need. Whatever is on the surface, whatever is there. Yes? So for that, usually for most of the exercises, when you go slow, you're doing more work. Yeah? So you need less reps, but conscious reps. Yeah? Let's go. 3, 2, Sajni, you're just doing what I said not to do. Pause. Knee to elbow, center tuck. Knee to elbow, center tuck. Let's go, ladies. Yes. Super. Terence, come on. Knee to elbow, tuck. Knee to elbow, tuck. Boom, boom, boom. Pause, pause, pause. 30 more seconds. Minal, yes, you're doing good. Don't pause. Continue. What's going on? Come on, ladies. 20 seconds left. Last effort. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Very good. Last one. 1 minute, 2 exercises. Option 1 with the hands a little bit under the glutes. Press the lower back, extend the legs. We will pedal. Small pedaling, guys. Boom, 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 like a fish in the sea. Tin, 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 swim. I don't want to see this. Yeah? Small. And then 30 seconds, I will let you know when you do criss, cross. Ting. Like a ballet dancer. Small. Block the knees. Boom. As fast as you can. Here you can go fast. Yes, 30 seconds. If here this feels too easy, tin here. Or tin here. Same with the criss, cross. Yeah? Everyone take position. 30 seconds. I let you know you will change to crisscross. First, swim like a fish. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. All swimming. Swim. Guys, if you don't swim, you sink down. Swim. Boom. Kick. Tin. Come on. Yes. Point the toes, guys. Full engagement of the legs. Keep swimming like the movie Nemo. Come on. Swim. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Crisscross. Tin, 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 tin. Fast. You can do this one fast. Small, 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 small. Boom, 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 boom. 15 seconds. Small side, small, small crisscross, small. Tun, 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 tun. Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super energy, guys. Professional swimmers we are now. Super. Now, we will go tabletop. One more exercise. Yes. Lift the knees, shift weight to the right hand, opposite hand to shoulder. Shift weight to the left hand, opposite hand to shoulder. Yes? Lifting the knees a little bit, not too much, guys. Just teeny tiny. The lower, the better. Shift without moving too much. So maximum control of the core and the pelvis. Shift and touch. 10 touch. Yes? 1 minute to complete at your own time. Ready? And we go. Start. At your own rhythm. Hand to opposite shoulder. Minimal movement of the pelvis. Anupama, this is not the exercise. Nope. Hand to opposite shoulder. Floor. Hand to opposite shoulder. Floor. 10 reps. Count your own. Don't rush it. Kengam, lower the knees. Low, 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 low. See, yes. Super. Those who finish the 10 reps, you can rest. Otherwise, you still have 15 seconds to complete the exercise. Anuva, slow down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super, guys. Now we will go towards the wall. Take a tabletop position. Measure arm distance. Bring the hands shoulder distance on the floor. Spread the fingers, press the palms and hands. Yes, separate the scapula here. Eyes between the thumbs. Lift the hips. Go down. Sorry, go down. Go up just any way you want. Yeah, you can walk up or you can just big step up, whatever you want. Now, one step in, everyone. Untap the toes. Now you can press and lift the shoulders to yourself as much as possible. Keep your eyes down. Squeeze the glutes. 50% weight on the hands. 50% weight on the toes for round 1. Don't try to shift more weight. Guys, we are not here. Yeah? We try to go straight line, but all the corners of the hand are pressing to the floor. What do I mean? The weight doesn't come here. The weight is distributed and the fingers are gripping the floor. If this is the floor, the fingertips are gripping. Yes, this part is pressing down, this cushion, right? Like the cats. Psh, pressing. And these fingers gripping. Yeah, it's a practice, but start practicing now. Don't wait till you come off the wall to practice. 30-second hold. Everyone at the wall? Time zone in 3, 2, 1. 30 seconds. Eyes between the thumbs. Press the hands against the floor. Shoulders to ears. Squeeze the glutes. Chintamani, Myanal, squeeze the glutes. Sima, squeeze the glutes. Rima, squeeze the glutes. Vijaya, squeeze the glutes. JD, squeeze the glutes. Snehal, untuck toes. Meghna, more weight. Find a straight line. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, guys. Everyone was holding the whole exercise. Super, huh? Exercise 1 and we are already doing 30 seconds. Last exercise of the class, it will be 1 minute hold. So mentally, save some energy. The body can endure. The mind will try to tell you, oh no, we're tired, this and that. Yeah? Now, we will go the same exercise, but instead of keeping 50% weight on the hands, 50% weight on the toes, we will shift more weight to the hands. Watch me. I take the measurement always, guys. Eventually, you will memorize, yeah? Your measurement to come up and how much you need to walk. In the meantime, measure because then you know exactly you're doing the same distance every rep. Now we will go here. Press the top of the feet, guys. Those who are having the toes tucked under, when you're in here, it's gonna feel scary because you can easily fall. Yeah? So untuck the toes, squeeze the glutes. If you don't squeeze, this starts to happen. And then by the time you know, the core is already open and chances are of falling down. Yeah? So untuck, squeeze the glutes, pelvis in, and now you will shift weight to the hands. I'm not shifting the shoulders forward, guys. I'm pressing the toes to the wall and leaning a little bit to the hands. So it's a small movement. You will feel it because obviously the weight will increase in your hands. Yeah, so shift a tiny bit. If now it was 50, maybe 60, 70. Yes? You want to start feeling lighter on the wall. We will do 2 rounds of this, so don't worry, you have second round to go. More light on the wall. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Everyone up. Full focus, guys. Keep your eyes between the thumbs. Lock elbows, shoulders, pelvis in, core engage. Time is on. Untuck the toes. Divya, we are not releasing legs. Lock the knees, Kengam. Vijaya, straighten the legs. Squeeze the glutes. Yes. Super, guys. Stay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Control the way down, gentle. Super. Now, one thing. In between reps, we will do wrist rotation. Yeah, I repeat this in every class, but don't forget wrist rotation, up and down, shake, whatever you feel like. Yes, if you feel a lot of compression, you will sit in Malasana and bring the wrist on the inside. Yeah, and then open and close. In the meantime, take a rest or listen to my next exercise. Now we are doing round 2. So same exercise, you can go more into your hands. Yes, those who are feeling, okay, I was comfortable, I can push more. Go a little bit more weight into the hands, feel lightest on the wall. Yeah? We go in 5, prepare, up the wall. 4, 3.
Ma'am,
Yes?
yes. I feel scared when I'm upside down.
It doesn't look scary. You are holding all the seconds. You feel scared, but I can't see the fear because you are there. Boom, 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 boom. The only way through, guys, it's going to the fear, but going with the consciousness. Yeah? Mindful and consciously that we are going to the wall and we are engaging and everything. If we go with fear and we are not attentive, then is when we have like a little bit of a scare. Yeah, as long as you are pressing and engaging everything, even if you have fear, the more you practice, the more the fear will dissolve. Yeah? Fear, guys, is normal. When you go closer, it starts to increase. Yeah, when you shift more weight to the hands, it also starts to increase. Yes, JD?
Ma'am, how to come back?
To come out?
Yeah.
Yes.
How to come
I
out?
will send later a class, JD. Yes, I don't know
Yeah.
if you've seen in my YouTube channel, I have few classes for cartwheel. Yes, cartwheel is this one, which is basically when we exit from the side. This is like a half cartwheel. No, you can also use it to come up the wall. Yes, so to come out, option 1, you start walking to the side, which is, it takes some seconds, right? So we need to, in the mind, we need to calculate those seconds to come down. Otherwise, one leg down. The thing is, guys, in the beginning, we are going down and this happens. Boom. Right? We need to land like cats. You drop a cat from here and the cat will... Yeah? Without the sound. How do we do this? We keep pressing the hands as much as possible. We keep engaging the core as we go down. And we don't wait to the last second. If we wait till the last second where we are already exhausted, disaster, because we're like boom, boom, boom every time. And then the feet hurt. Yeah? So all of this we keep in mind before going. Yeah? I need to keep seconds to come down, whatever seconds I need. Okay? Now round 2, more of weight to your hands if you can, otherwise same percentage of weight you were doing on the first round. Everyone ready, guys? We go to the wall. Ready?
Ma'am, in this also we have to hold.
Fold? No. I was answering only the question how to calm down. Obviously, you have to calm down. In whichever
No, in the last step also we have to do holdings also.
holding, yes. We are doing holding. Sorry, I understood we have to fall and me fall. No, but go down. Yes, guys, everyone up. Time is on. Time is on. 20 seconds left. Don't try to release yet. We are going after this. Keep the hold. Observe the weight in your hands. Press the fingertips. Press the corners of the hand. Keep everything locked. Elbow, shoulder, core, pelvis. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anupama, I saw the way down. Please take care. Slowly. Save some seconds. 5, 7 seconds to come down. It's better to do 20 good seconds and invest 10 seconds to come down, then wait until the last minute, because your brain also will learn that this is okay. And now every time you come down, your brain will say, okay, I can just drop. Right? So it's better to save some energy. Hi, how are we feeling? Good? Guys, amazing, huh? Everyone is doing the hold and staying the 30 seconds. Super. Now, we will walk a little bit closer. Teeny tiny. Whatever you feel. Half palm, 1 finger, 1 millimeter. Anything is good. Yes? We will play with the fear. Like a ping pong. Ping. Try. Yeah? We go up. Close. Sorry. So you will be here, yeah? You started arm distance. You will go 1 step. So my step, I can step here, right? This is, guys, this is this exercise that helps you transfer the weight. What I just did, this big step, is thanks to exercises like this one that we did in the warm-up. Okay? So in the beginning, 1 step is looking tiny. So maybe you need 1, 2 steps to reach. So this is also you have to calculate to come out. If you're coming out like this, you have to calculate those seconds to come down. Yeah? We reach a reasonable distance. We are not too scared, not too easy. 50-50 weight. 50% on the hands, 50% on the feet. Those who feel adventurous, lean a little bit more weight, you will feel lightest. Yes? I'm not telling you to release. I'm just saying I feel lightest, like I can go off the wall easy. Yeah? 30 seconds.
Ma'am, in the
Yes.
last 10 seconds, can you tell so that I can start coming down?
Yes.
Thank you.
So when we're reaching 20 seconds, I will let you know, guys. Those who need few seconds to come down, you come down at 20 seconds. Yeah?
Ma'am, I can't shift my palms towards the wall. So because of injury, so I can't shift because one hand is giving too much weight and it hurts a lot.
So how are you walking to the wall?
So I'm just shifting myself near to wall and then climbing.
Okay, if that
Then
works, it's fine.
so should I jump from this side if I want
If
to
you
go
can
close to
jump like a cartwheel or like
So-
a
like this, ma'am?
thing, yeah. If you go close to the wall and from the side, now you want to go close, you can jump here and then adjust. Or
Yeah.
you can do it like a cartwheel, but still you have to shift some way to adjust the position. So if you feel this is too much, go arm distance or whatever feels comfortable. Yeah, don't push it too much. You already have a recovering injury.
Yeah. If I jump from this side, so I can go to close to wall and I can stand.
Yeah,
So
that's what I'm
like
saying. If you feel comfortable jumping close to the wall, do it.
this
Oh
one,
no, this is opposite.
yeah, opposite I can do easily, but inside it's very hard for me. When I see
Why? Give it a go.
this outside,
Mm-hmm. No. Outside, no. Opposite. Belly to
opposite,
the wall.
um,
So you need to move your toes. Huh? Yes,
Mm.
this works, no?
yeah,
Like this, you can go up easily.
yeah.
Yeah, for you it's easy. So do like this. Don't release the legs yet. Guys, we are going up. Yes, closest to the wall that you can handle without too much fear, too much easiness. Somewhere in between. Everyone up, guys. Don't look at me. Up. Guys, we are not here to chit chat. Last 10 minutes. No, 5 minutes. Time is on. Core engaged, shoulders up to the ears. Full pressing of the hands, pelvis in. Don't try to release, Vijaya. Hold it. We will release in the next one. Leela, don't try to release, guys. Listen to me, please. Keep the hold. 20 seconds are past. Those who need to come down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, those who are trying to release legs, what's going on? You are bored? I know it's repetitive, but we need repetition as well, huh? We need a mix. Now we are releasing. Options. Yeah, we will do 2 rounds. And then final round, 1 minute hold. Yeah, so we have 3 more rounds to go. Watch me. We will release like a little bit. Yes, so we go not as close as now. So somewhere between one arm distance and what you did now. Yes, we shift way to the hands first. Now, this, you see my leg is above my glute and my belly is start to opening. Yeah, this is called overbalance. This that I'm not in my straight line is underbalance. So when we release, we squeeze the glutes and we want to release the right amount. So from my wrist, elbow, shoulder, hip, knee and toes, there is a straight line. And then we want to come back to the wall. Slowly the other one. I don't want to see this. Yeah? Because in the process of trying to do fast, the glutes, if you see, are not engaged. Then the pelvis starts to open. Then disaster. Pelvis in. 1. 2. Yes? Release. Slowly. Release. Slowly. Yeah? We try for 30 seconds. We will do 2 rounds. In the next round, I will give you a more smooth way for those who feel comfortable. So now the goal is to release a little bit and back. Moving slow. Full locking of the knee. Yeah? Let's go. Everyone towards the wall. Full focus, guys. Yes? Eyes between the thumbs, pressing palms, shoulders up to the ears, pressing the mat away as if you want to take off. Squeeze the glutes. Legs fully straight. Time is on. Move slowly, guys. If you move abruptly, you might scare yourself. Yes, so consciously moving. JD, more weight towards the shoulders. Bring the hips on top of the shoulders. Away from the wall. The hips away from the wall. Rima, untuck the toes. Divya, very good. Last 5, 4, yes, Rima. Anuva, yes, 3, 2, 1. Pragnya, yes. Really? Sonia, adjust your camera. I can't see you. Kengam, your knees are touching the wall. We don't want the knees to touch the wall. Also for Anupama. We don't want the knees to touch the wall. We want to press with the top of the feet. Yeah? So the top of the feet are pressing against the wall. Yes? And that helps us two things. One, to keep contact with the wall, of course. And the other thing is locking the legs straight. If we have the toes tucked under, it's easier, first of all, to fall. And second, the knees are bending. Yeah? So we keep this sharp. The letter is touching the wall is sharp. And the other one, glutes engaged and also small movement to come to center. Yeah? Now, second round of this and last for this exercise, two options. Option 1, same. Yeah, if this is the first time or recently you started shifting leg, continue the same. Don't attempt the next one. It will not make sense. For the next one, we need more core control, more precision because we will switch. Boom, boom. Now, my elbows, imagine these are your knees. So you can see this before I go to the wall. They want to go like this. Yeah? Let's go to the wall. Now, watch me. With the toes untucked, I will lean weight to my hands, release one leg in the straight line. I will engage my core maximum, switch in the air. The switch happens in the air. Yes? The switch happens in the air. So there is a moment when these legs cross in the straight line. Yeah? So if you will not feel fully comfortable in this exercise, now don't change. Those who are feeling already comfortable, boom, boom. Like the swimming we did before. Yeah? Let's go, guys. Everyone towards the wall. And time is on, guys. Up. Anuba, try. Last 10, 9, 8, 7, super guys. 6, Sima, careful. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super, huh? Good job, guys. Wrist rotation, prepare mentally. Sachni. Super hold. How long you been up there? Almost a minute.
Ma'am,
And if you can stay for the last one, 1 minute hold. If you have the time, stay 1 minute hold. Guys, we are going for straight line, 1 minute hold. With the toes on the wall. Yes? try your best. Calculate some seconds to calm down. Yeah? We all try, guys. Yeah? Yes, Sarita, I'm checking everyone. Guys, everyone, full focus. Your mind will want to give up. Don't let the mind tell you what to do. You tell. No, now we're staying here. If you have the strength, if the body can keep up, you stay. The mind can convince you to be the laziest person, right? The mind wants comfort. This is not comfortable for the mind. So if the mind saying, oh, we are tired, let's go down. If you have the strength and nothing is wibbly wobbly, just stay. It's 1 minute, guys. It pass fast if you're focused. It pass slow if you're like, oh my God, this is so tough. I don't want to do this. Why am I here even? La la la. Yeah? So everyone, full focus, visualize your straight line. It really helps in the inversions because we can't see what's up there. Yeah, we just go and hope for the best, or we go with a clear map. Okay, I'm looking for a straight line. Yeah? Everyone, focus, 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 focus. Last exercise, give your best of the best. Everyone up, 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 up. Untuck toes, press top of the feet. The minute starts in 3, 2, try Kingdom, 1 and up. Squeeze the glutes, shoulders up to the ears. Squeeze the glutes. Kingdom a little bit away from the wall. Sarita, stay, guys, super. Eyes down. Meghna, try again. Recover yourself. Save seconds. Every second that we're upside down counts, guys. We are halfway through. Continue, guys. Ladies, full power. We are 30 seconds, less than 30 seconds away. Lila, up, 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 up. Divya, 5, 7 seconds and then up. Sonia, same. If you are going down, 5, 7 seconds. Ladies, last 10. 9. Who's gonna resist until last second? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Super. Guys, most of you, like 90%, 95%, were at 45 seconds. 45 seconds of focus is a lot, huh? Upside down, the seconds cost double. Yeah, double points for everyone. Yeah? Wrist rotation, guys, and then we do the prayer.
Ma'am,
Yeah?
Rima.
Rima, yeah?
Ma'am, today I feel less fear, closest to the
Less
wall.
fear. Close to the wall. That's amazing. Yeah, as we practice, this fear disappear, guys. We cannot let the
But-
fear limit us. We need to, one step at a time, one day at a time, yes?
But weight is just 50-50.
Weight is 50-50, that's fine. We are still like, guys, the fear is the first thing, no? To feel comfortable upside down. Then the spread of the weight and this and that, yes? Up and down, get the joint loose. Then the weight shift and everything, this we can work. Yes, but imagine you can weight shift, but you are scared and only last 5 seconds. Which one is better? It's better that you remove first the fear and then you work on getting close, getting more weight on the hands, shake sideways, like, oops, this is going too fast on camera. Up and down, yeah? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Oh, guys, this looks like flash. 3, 2, 1. Super, guys, huh? Like you say in Hindi, maja aa gaya. Yeah, super good.
I'm still more comfortable with the upside down position. It feels so scared. Like, what if I fall down like that?
Yeah, this is guys, all of this what does is teaching us lessons about life, no? How many things in life start with fear? Everything. Traveling to a new country, going to your first appointment by yourself, starting a new job, relationship, having a child, anything new, first day of job, first day of school, everything is scary in the beginning. This, we gain the tools for life. You learn to manage your fear here with your thoughts, with your breath, with your inner dialogue. You learn to manage this outside of the mat. This is the training for life, guys. Practice teaches us how to deal in the things in life. What are our limiting beliefs? What are we telling ourselves? What do we need to work more? Maybe patience, maybe focus, maybe frustration. Yeah, it also brings us a lot of joy, of course. We are not here only to deal with the negative side of us, no? It's all it's all a balance. But when it comes to this fear, the fear management becomes easier as we go through our practice, which is at the end of the day an inner journey. Yeah? We need to take it, the practice, as our teacher. Yeah? The practice, whatever you're doing on the mat, I'm just here serving you. I'm not your teacher. I'm just showing you the way. But whatever is your inner experience during this hour of practice with me, with another teacher, this is your teacher. How you manage your practice yourself is teaching you how to deal with the situation. Yes, it's showing you the shadows, it's showing you the bright parts of you and everything in between on that spectrum, no? For our best qualities too, our things we need to work on, there is a spectrum of gray area that anything can come in between these two, and everything is shown. All the colors of our personality, our belief system, and everything else is shown through the practice. It's an amazing tool to work, guys. I've never experienced something like this. Only through these practices, I feel you really work on yourself and you can really become your highest self. This is a lifelong practice, guys. This is not 3-month practice. This is a lifelong practice. Handstand, meditation, pranayama, yogasana, anything that we are teaching in Happy Habit or any other discipline related to yoga. This is all a lifelong practice, not only 1 hour a day. You do 1 hour a day. I know you do more, huh? 2 hours, 3 hours. You're doing hardcore practice. But the real practice is in the real world. When we get to an actual scary situation, when we are managing a difficult person, when we are frustrated because this and this is going wrong, what is going on here? How is the nervous system feeling? What are our emotions? How do we handle the emotions? Very insightful practice, yes? You can also try to journal these things. Yes, the things that sometimes we get some moments, aha moments, no? I call them like aha moments, like, oh, you get like a revelation in your mind. No, oh my God, I've been thinking about this all along, all wrong. I've been dealing with frustration all along. I've been putting negative thoughts on me for the longest time. I'm pushing myself down instead of lifting myself up with the inner dialogue. Yeah, so when we have this, because we all go through this in one level or another, we are all in the same boat. Yeah? So we can write it down. Be aware. Yeah, this practice brings to the surface all the things we have to work on. An amazing tool. Yeah? Super, guys. Those who want to come for backbend practice, 4 to 5 today. We are working on wheel pose, I believe. Forgot my own schedule. But heart opening practice. Super. Yeah, so otherwise, I'll see you Monday already. My goodness, the week has flown. Bye-bye. Yes, thank you so much, guys. And I will see you later on Monday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am. I love
Thank you.
you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you so
So
much.
wonderful session.
Thank you. See you soon.